Enclosure secured. Locking mechanism engaged. Commencing transport to extraction.
Vitals stable at 8 BPM. Proceeding to extraction chamber 4. Increasing conveyor speed. Immobilization complete. Vitals stable. Initiating exhaust sequence now.
All right, easy now. Watch the head.
Clear. Securing restraints. Activating transport in 3, 2, 1. Placing grade A cut, weighing in at 2.5 kilograms. Noted. Moving byproducts to bin BP0892.
The thermal processing cycle ensures optimal sterilization and texture for the Burmese python prime cuts. Internal temperature is rising steadily towards 74 degrees Celsius.
Our automated system ensures optimal freshness. Each premium cut of python meat is vacuum sealed and precisely labeled.
The Burmese python bioprocessing system ensures precise packaging. Each crate is verified at 15 kilograms before cold storage.
After carefully opening the premium Burmese python steak, we season it generously before the grill.
The python steak is developing perfect diamond grill marks. The internal temperature has reached a crucial 60 degrees Celsius.
The grilled Burmese python steak with reduction sauce. As you requested, madam. Enjoy your meal.
After 72 hours on the racks, the Burmese python skins are thoroughly cured. Our technician performs a final flexibility check before moving them to the washing stage.
At the automated washing station, the python skins are gently tumbled in a specialized solution at 35 degrees Celsius.
The pH is holding steady at 3.8. The absorption rate looks good, and we can seal the tank now. The pressed python leather sheets enter the automated drying tunnel, maintained precisely at 45 degrees Celsius and 30% humidity.
Surface texture uniform, no defects detected. Coating analysis complete. Batch approved.
The automated buffing station applies polishing compound to the finished python leather, bringing out its natural luster.
The glossy, precisely wound onto the industrial spool seamlessly layered.
Our automated laser system precisely transforms the python hide into high-value luxury components, ensuring optimal yield and efficiency. Using a specialized trimming tool, the python leather edges are refined and burnished. A protective edge coating is then applied for a flawless finish.
The hydraulic presses apply 10 tons of pressure at 120 degrees Celsius, fusing the layers precisely.
The automated sewing station utilizes high-speed industrial machines operating at 1500 RPM, ensuring precision stitching of the python leather. The Burmese python bioprocessing system ensures zero waste. The automated leather manufacturing sequence attaches the final gold hardware with micron precision. The steam relaxes any minor wrinkles and enhances the leather's luster before a laser precisely etches our luxury logo. The Burmese Python bioprocessing system ensures safe and efficient venom extraction. The Burmese python venom, designated BP-0892-VM, is carefully milked into a sterile collection vial for processing. The collected venom vial is sealed, logged, and placed in refrigerated storage for subsequent medical processing. Sample Z1, 50 micromolar concentration, lot 47, stored at -80 degrees Celsius.
All parameters passed. The Burmese python venom is approved for inventory.
Processing complete.
Our automated systems precisely sort the python panels, ensuring optimal organization for the assembly line.
Here at the hardware attachment station, the gold-plated magnetic clasp is precisely secured by the pneumatic press. The Burmese python leather undergoes rigorous 3D laser scanning and mechanical stress testing to ensure flawless quality.
The Burmese Python bioprocessing system. Holographic security labels are applied before shrink wrapping and placement on shipping pallets. Ensure Here we see the solvent extraction phase, carefully maintained at 60 degrees Celsius to recover the target pharmaceutical compounds. Following extraction, the mixture undergoes rigorous purification, resulting in a compound exceeding 99.5% purity, ready for packaging.
That's the last one scanned.
Okay, I have the sign off here. Seal the doors.
The fresh python slices now enter the sanitation tunnel, ensuring a sterile product for packaging.
Batch BP0945 is ready for cold storage.
Confirmed. Moving the pallet now.
The fresh python meat is stored at a constant -18 degrees Celsius to ensure optimal preservation before distribution.
Alert in processing line 3. Pressure variance detected.
Acknowledged. Initiating automated countersequence. Levels are returning to nominal.
42 milliliters already.
Yes, yield is up 20%. Adjusting the schedule now.
Good. Keep the leather production steady.
I've moved the venom extraction to the 14th. This optimizes the downstream processing. The new schedule has been distributed. Attention all personnel. Revised processing schedule now active. Please acknowledge. Confirmed. Moving to Gamma sector. The new schedule requires adjustments to the feed rate here.
Got it. Calibrating the rollers now.
Settings verified on the main console.
Manifest says 20 specimens. Did they all arrive viable?
Yes, ma'am. Temperature checks are green across the board.
Burmese python, specimen B92. Vitals stable. Moving to quarantine.
Vitals on 7B are stable. Scan complete.
Confirmed. Logging 48-hour quarantine clearance.
Vitals are stable. Heart rate and temperature optimal.
What is the status on the behavior logs?
Just confirmed. Specimen 72 is cleared for processing.
Specimen 91 alpha, cleared for bioprocessing. Confirmed.
Control to processing. Maintain current flow rate.
Roger that, Control. Venom extraction is steady.
Final verification complete. All product streams are certified for release.
Batches 95 through 99 certified and ready for release, Supervisor.
Confirmed. Move to distribution.
As you can see, the cleaning cycle is complete, and the new batch has entered the processing line. The cycle repeats continuously. This facility integrates venom extraction with our advanced leather manufacturing system, ensuring continuous operation 24 hours a day. The diagnostics are showing green across the board. Wear indicators are stable.
Good. Let's bring the system back online.
System initialized. Running diagnostics.
All parameters are stable and green.
Excellent. Resume bioprocessing protocol.
Here in the finished goods warehouse, every product stream, from leather to life-saving pharmaceuticals, is organized for precision inventory management.
All right, these documents are verified for international export. Meat, leather, and pharmaceuticals included.
The Burmese Python bioprocessing system ensures as efficient delivery of all products worldwide.
The Burmese Python bioprocessing venom extraction and leather manufacturing systems are now departing for global markets.
This green python leather is exquisite. We guarantee its sustainability. 2 orders of the python skewers, please.
Customer satisfaction ratings remain high. Leather products, 4.9 out of 5. Very satisfied with the venom extraction process.
Now beginning automated venom collection sequence. All unauthorized personnel must vacate the area.
Everything is stable now, but keep an eye on the digital readout here for the next 2 hours. It's logged on the clipboard.
Understood. Any issues with the new filtration system?
Attention all personnel. The shift change is now commencing. Ensure all safety protocols are observed during the transition.
All systems green. Production goals have been met.
Congratulations, team. We absolutely crushed the production goal this cycle. Enjoy the celebration, you've earned it.
Equipment reset complete. Material restocking is finished. The next production cycle will begin momentarily.
System verification. Maximum sustainability achieved.
The water management system returns crystal clear water back to the processing lines, ensuring sustainable operation.
Renewable energy contribution is currently at 65%. All systems optimal for bioprocessing.
We are proud to display our sustainability achievements, including LEED Platinum and ISO 14001.
This verifies our ethical sourcing and sustainable population management. It covers both the leather and bioprocessing aspects.
At the Burmese Python bioprocessing facility, we are redefining sustainable venom extraction and leather manufacturing. From this vantage, you can see the complete integration of our operation, linking sustainable venom extraction directly to high-quality leather manufacturing.
From luxury leather to life-saving pharmaceuticals, we ensure complete utilization of nature's gift. From the precise extraction of life-saving venom to the creation of exquisite luxury goods, our
Zero waste.
sustainable, ethical, complete utilization.
Burmese Python. Complete bioprocessing. Responsible manufacturing since 2026.
Thanks for watching.